All right, guys, next up, Michael Franti and Spearhead, The Sound of Sunshine. I'm excited about this one. I never heard it before. It's a live performance, too.
We would love to hear a song and then meet the band.
Sure. Let's try this one. One, two, three. Uh huh. I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to kill today. And I wish I had a dime for every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the water's as high as the times you're in. So I jump back in where I learned to swim. Try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. Pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down, down, down. Hey, 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 hey. One, two, put your hands together. I saw my friend Bobby, said, what's up, man? You got a little work or 20 to lend? I opened up my hand, he said, I'm glad to see. They could take away my job, but not my friends, you see. Here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. Pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Yo, yo, here we go. I wanna go where the summer never ends, with my guitar on the beach there with all my friends. The sun's so hot and the waves in motion, and everything smells like suntan lotion. The ocean and the girl so sweet. So kick off your shoes and relax your feet. They say that miracles are never ceasing. Every single soul needs a little releasing. Stereo bumping till the sun goes down. I only wanna hear that sound. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Play that thing, Jay. Here we go now. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Break it on down now, Jay. Here we go, y'all. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes. That's the sound of sunshine, of sunshine coming down, 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 down. That's the sound, that's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down, down, down. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. One more time, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, 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 hey. When the sun goes down. Ow!
It's Michael Franti and Spearhead live in the KEXP studios. You guys aren't having any fun, are you?
Oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much for that one. I love that so much. such a good summer song, right? Just the way he's like
Yes.
in the first verse, he's like describing like everything, you know. And it's cool. I like that sentiment, the sounds of the sunshine coming down, you know.
Well, and like
I
him having a bum money from his friend and stuff. There's like a deeper sentiment too, and it's like so true to what I do at my 9 to 5. Like so many times, like you see people dealt like the shittiest hand, or like you have like
hmm
a bad string, and it's like the more it rains, the more you do appreciate that sunshine. You
yeah,
appreciate it so
yeah.
much you can hear it. It's it's uh, it's a message, it's a poem, it's a song, it's a vibe. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go 9.8 only because I feel like I've heard that song so many times, but I don't know if this was a request or like just enough people requested it. You picked it out, but
I think
I
so.
never
I think
heard it.
someone said something in the live. I saw it
This
in the live
specific one,
when I was editing. I think I saw
yeah.
it. Yeah.
I think we get an
I
extra little guitar solo that's not like in the original.
you
I'm
guys
pretty
never
sure.
know where I'm gonna pick stuff from up from. You know, it's like
Yeah,
while I'm
hit
doing the
us with a
videos, I'm
link.
making. Yeah.
Hit us with a
So
link if
yeah,
you want the exact video.
exactly. Yeah, this was cool, man. So I never really had like a visual of Spearhead, so I didn't know, you know, I've always seen Michael Franti and Spearhead, but I've never seen them. I've never seen them live or
Yeah.
anything. So it was nice just to get a visual of like what they look like. It was like really good camaraderie, right? They're like
Uh
singing
huh.
in the mic and holding it and stuff like that. I love this, man. 9.9.
Yeah. Very cool.
All right, guys,
Yes.
moving into the next
Yes.
one.
Treasure bath.
We have one more and